Hey guys, City Gaming here. Welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video, I had this for about 2 months. 2 months, probably, yeah. 2 months or a month, I don't know. I made this. It was a long time ago when I made this, but the 40 subscriber play button. Don't worry, it's not real. Nobody has it. YouTube is not sending out 40 subscriber play buttons. I wish, but they're not. But I'm about to show you. So this is made out of clay, but we spray painted it gold. It says YouTube, congratulations for surpassing 40 subscribers. Insanity Gaming Pile. And this is just on my desk all the time. And I'm just making a quick little video of this. Yeah. This is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to see more. See you guys next video. And I'm making another video today, so bye. Oh, bye. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, that didn't work either.